Years ago, I did a Bronde in the salon and then I posted it and I got home and my wife's like, oh, babe, you spelt blonde wrong. And I was like, where? What do you mean? She's like, you wrote with an R. And I was like, yeah, it's Bronde. She's like, that's not a thing. And I was like, it's a thing.
Yeah.
It's a thing. I'm the hairdresser. Thank you very much. Yeah, it's a thing.
Look who's laughing now.
Hello.
Hello everyone, I'm Salomé and welcome to Goldwell's hair coloring show.
Hi everyone. Hi, I'm some ginger from Australia. Was I meant to say that?
Should we do that again?
I'm Jools and today we're talking all things Bronde and Balayage. Doodaloo, doodaloo.
Yeah.
Coffee! Bronde to me is a combination of blonde and brown. So naturally we just merge the two words together. So I feel like it's this really lovely juxtaposition between like, I want to be blonde, but I want to be brown at the same time. And I want a low maintenance feel.
Everyone loves to feel blonde and have that like feeling of brightness around their face, but the reality is most people are not blonde.
This term is relatively new, but the technique I don't feel is new.
It is a balayage technique, less is more. I feel like that's the type of client that would visit your salon maybe twice a year, that maybe is more brown, and then in summer she wants to spice it up a little bit. I think today we're gonna do something fun, just a quick maintenance on a Bronde balayage story.
So it's kind of like a touch-up job, like a, what would they call it in the mechanic? Like a
Quick fix.
quick fix? A dent? What's the...
A dins.
You know when you pull a dent, you know when you know the term I'm looking for? It's like they... Pull a dent. Yeah, it's like they pull a dent out. What is that? I'll come back to that. So today we have an amazing person coming in and we cannot wait to get our hands on her hair. Are you ready?
I'm so excited. Let's go.
This is Jo. Hello.
Hey.
Hello.
You have absolutely fabulous hair.
This is actually dream hair.
What do you love about your hair?
I don't have to do a lot.
I'm going to turn it to the back. Some common mistakes that hairdressers use is they overcolour hair. You want to make sure that you're leaving some depth in there. The rule is if you colour everything, you colour nothing. Because if you just put highlights in there, it's just all blonde.
I think what makes a great hairdresser is to say, listen, I actually don't think we need to do a lot to your hair today. I think we can add a little bit of pieces around the face, add some brightness in front so that she gets that feeling like I've been to the salon, but without causing unnecessary damage. Should we get started?
Yes.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Cool. Let's do it.
Those highlights are actually quite brassy. At the root. Yeah.
I agree with you, and in all honesty, I would do nothing at the back.
Nothing underneath?
Like there's foils that's like still very high up.
Oh, I'm talking like hairline. Only when she puts it up. Doesn't really matter, does it?
No, you can.
That's it.
And we do a toner.
Yes, but I want to
honestly-
talk about something, so let's do it over there.
For Jo, we've decided to work with two different lighteners, and we've both decided to work with SilkLift Ammonia 3 and SilkLift Strong.
I'm going in with SilkLift Strong and 6% on the virgin hair, and then we've got 0...
Ammonia free.
Yeah.
A scoop is 25 grams.
I don't have a scoop, so I'm just...
Maybe
was,
do you
like,
want to
digging my
borrow my
hand.
scoop? Cool.
It makes it very cuckoo. Drops. Why?
This is the serum that protects the hair while pre-lightening. So yeah, it's a great bleach.
I
think it needs a little bit of a haircut just to get that nice and sharp. You can almost see where that hair starts like frizzing out a little bit.
I'm going to turn you around.
Yes, girl. Let's do something that when she wears it up, it doesn't look like she has regrowth and just a ball of blonde on her head. And I'm going to be her lovely assistant. Assistant.
I love that. Coffee. Actually, the first thing I look at is their hairline. Most people have this little section here, and I call it the Bermuda Triangle. If it's actually long enough, I will colour that, but it also depends on how light we're going and the overall effect. I'm going to weave them first. My weaves are going to be very fine, and I'm just picking up that top layer there. I'm going to pop it here just to place it down, and then I'm just going to push the product up a little bit, just to fluff it out a little bit, just to clean that out a little bit. Her ends are a beautiful colour. And fold that up. Yeah, we've got like 50 seconds to talk about this. So we had a quick check to see how our foils are going, and we're very happy with it. And we are about to rinse and tone. And what are you going to be toning with?
10 BG, 10 BB maybe, 10 GP. There's a bit of a combination. And if we want to be spicy, I thought let's add a few drops of maybe yellow pure pigments. The whole idea is to brighten it up.
Yeah. Cool. Oh my God. You could not have planned that. We didn't rehearse that. We didn't rehearse that. No one believes me. All right, which way do you want to head forward?
Yeah. So I'm going to do 120 mils of lotion and then 20, 20, 20 of each color, and then maybe 5 drops of the yellow pure pigments. It takes no time whatsoever. And I love how this looks. There's always a photo on my Instagram. It looks like you're mixing a potion, like you're some kind of wizard. And then we do 5 mils. 1, 2, 3. Cool. Let's go. You're ready.
It's been a long day.
So I'm avoiding the root area because there is no lightness in that area, but I do want to make sure we've saturated all these new foils. Put a little drop on my fingers. These new foils we've added here at the bottom. So just taking my time there. And your toning service is something quick and fast, the application. Love the applicator bottles for that. This can also be done at the basin for a quick service.
Emulsify. It's called the emulsification process.
The kind of like spreading technique is just to make sure it's saturated through all the hair. You do want to make sure that you're adding as you go. The product shouldn't foam all that much.
A hair slap. I'm like, all right. What do you mean?
Just like...
Oh, do you want to show them from the front?
Oh, okay. Now that I've done the middlings to ends towards the back, I'm going to work a little bit closer to the root area, just making sure I'm squeezing out a little bit of color. And this is just a nice way to get close to the roots. And I always like to work out of my client's face. It just creates a much cleaner canvas. Do you call it milking as well?
Yeah.
Like we milk.
You can milk the colour, yeah.
Yeah, so I'm just milking the product down.
Moving it through the hair, like really, pushing it through.
But I think it came from like milking like a
cow.
Yeah.
Hair slapping, milking.
You really get it all today.
Oh. It's the new fashion.
Is that Austin Powers? No, what was
Austin
there's something
Powers?
about Mary.
Too far, red car.
One of the best hair scenes in a movie,
Ever.
I think.
Yeah.
And now we are going to let her process for 20 minutes, and then we'll show you the final result.
Good. I like the second implement or something.
It's pretty easy.
I think we do 2 blow dryers.
Yeah.
For my angel, let's rescue.
No one wants to feel the feeling. Strong from house, strong, it's your house.
Jo has never, ever had her hair straight. I mean, I cannot wait to show her.
Yeah. Tilt your head
Like
back.
back.
Yeah, there we go. Throw some product in there. I'm just doing a light spritz of some hairspray. And we're not looking for a curl here. We're actually just looking for movement.
Yeah.
So these are really soft waves put through. Like they're kind of twist waves. Ready,
Okay.
set,
Go.
Go.
I can't see anything. I love this. It's just, I never seen me with like...
When Jo puts her hair up, it's really soft. It's like the softest foils through here. It's really nice to see that beautiful colour pop through there. And also when the hair is down, bring it forward.
You can see like all this dimension. It's very, very beautiful.
She's stunned.
I'm stunned.
Do you like it?
I feel light.
I think for a long time it was like, this is your face and you just do your face frame. But then we realised when the hair is forward, if you don't colour through underneath here, you just get this big block of darkness. Your face frame is underneath at your nape as well.
All around the hairline, there's just like a few foils just to brighten up that balayage effect.
You're welcome. Thank you so much for being our
Thank you so
Rapunzel.
much, Jo. It was so lovely to work with your hair.
Bye.
Bye.
Rapunzel, Rapunzel. All right, well,
Bye.
we're out. Bye. Thanks for joining us. and that is a wrap.
Oh my gosh.
And that's a wrap. And that is a wrap today on our Bronde and Balayage adventures. I had the best time.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
I really love it. So thank you so much for watching. We would love to see your version of the balayage or the bronze trend. So please remember to tag us and we would love to share it with all of our communities.
Let us know what you would like us to work on next.
Cool.
Well,
You can go. Bye.
oh my God, need to counteract it.